I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to Donington Racetrack for the first track day of the year for me for the year of 2021. As any of my followers will know, every time I've been going on track for the last few years I've been using small boys track hire bikes and doing exactly the same again today on their Kawasaki 636. So here we are at Donington Racetrack today. As you can see, everyone else is priming and prepping and getting set up. However, for me, I can go and leisurely check in. So, now that we are here, we've gone and checked in. What we need to now do is go and find the bike that we're going to be on today. And look at this, opening up for me just as I arrive. So we can go in and have a bit of a look at all of the bikes from small boys. How's that for a lineup? So get to pick and choose on which one I want. By the looks of things, I'm going to be going for the one down the end, and we're going to come in, we're going to get the GoPro mount on the bike, and the back seat's being taken off for me so we can put on the we're going to put on the strap that I use for the airbag vest. So we're going to get all that sorted and get ready, get in my leathers and get ready to go. Okay, so diving into the analytics for this session, what we can basically see here is the best theoretical lap that I would have done on this time round would have been a 1 minute 48 seconds. In actual fact, what I did manage to do was lap 5 at a 1 minute 49 seconds. As you can see also on lap 2, we got the worst one at a 1 minute 52. So if we put these alongside each other and have a look at the top graph of speed, middle graph of power, and the bottom graph of lean angle, we can then take a bit of a look and see where I was making up and losing a bit of time. As we can see, we go down to the hairpin is the first time that I am losing some speed. Clearly there wasn't as much power there, and you can see the speed graph is a little bit lower. We can also then see as I'm coming down the start finish straight, it seems that I came off the gas and backed off a little bit earlier on the slower lap. And then we can also see, as well as I'm moving down through the complex corners, that it seems that I am carrying a little bit more speed actually on the worst lap, which is quite interesting, but then start losing some speed again as we're coming back up the hill. So what I'm now going to do is show you lap 5 with all of the analytics and data that is going to be running alongside it in a live environment, and then we will kick on in and watch the rest of this session. Hope you enjoy this one. Here we go.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.